Welcome to Romania, a country of stunning castles, breathtaking mountains, and rich history. From the legendary Transylvania to the vibrant streets of Bucharest, Romania offers a unique mix of medieval charm, natural beauty, and cultural experiences. But when is the best time to visit? Let's explore Romania's seasons so you can plan the perfect trip. If you love winter wonderlands, Romania in winter is a dream come true. The Carpathian Mountains become a paradise for skiing, snowboarding, and cozy cabin retreats. Cities like Brașov and Sibiu sparkle with Christmas markets and festive lights, while Bran Castle, also known as Dracula's Castle, looks even more mysterious in the winter mist. Just be prepared for cold temperatures and snowfall. As the snow melts, Romania comes to life. Spring is one of the best times to visit, with mild temperatures, fewer crowds, and blooming landscapes. It's perfect for exploring Transylvania's castles, hiking through the Carpathians, and discovering Romania's charming villages. The Danube Delta, a UNESCO site, is also full of migrating birds and wildlife during this season. Summer in Romania is warm, vibrant, and full of life. From the golden beaches of the Black Sea to the cool forests of Transylvania, summer is ideal for exploring Romania's diverse landscapes. This is also the best time for festivals, including the famous Electric Castle and Untold Music Festival. However, popular spots can get crowded, so plan ahead. Autumn in Romania is a magical experience. The forests of Transylvania turn into a golden wonderland, creating picture-perfect scenery around castles like Palace and Corvin Castle. It's also the best season for wine lovers, as Romania's vineyards are in harvest season. With fewer tourists and mild weather, autumn is the perfect time for a scenic road trip through Romania's breathtaking landscapes. So, when is the best time to visit Romania? Romania, it all depends on what you're looking for. Winter for magical snow-covered castles? Spring for mild weather and blooming landscapes? Summer for festivals and beach getaways? Or autumn for breathtaking scenery and wine tasting? Which season would you love to visit Romania in? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.